Ever wondered how to turn a classic Caesar salad into a nutritious powerhouse? Today we're unlocking the secret with our creamy Bliss Unleashed Napa and red cabbage Caesar salad. Begin by gathering fresh Napa and red cabbage. Full of vitamins and a vibrant mix of colors, these vegetables are the foundation of our salad. Once chopped and washed, set them aside. Now it's time for the dressing. This isn't your usual Caesar dressing. In a bowl, combine Greek yogurt, a squirt of lemon juice, a dollop of Dijon mustard, minced garlic, a handful of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until you have a smooth, creamy concoction. But what's a Caesar salad without a crunch? That's where almond slices and croutons come into play. Toast the almond slices in a dry pan until they're golden and aromatic. For the croutons, use your favorite store-bought variety, or, if you're feeling adventurous, make your own. With all the elements prepared, it's assembly time. In a large bowl, mix the Napa and red cabbage with the creamy dressing. Gentle tossing ensures every leaf is lovingly coated. For the grand finale, scatter the toasted almond slices and crunchy croutons over the salad. This adds a delightful crunch and an extra layer of flavor. And there we have it, our creamy Bliss Unleashed, Napa and red cabbage Caesar salad. This isn't just a salad, it's a nutrient-dense, flavor-packed, crunchy delight that's a healthy twist on the classic Caesar salad. Remember to hit that thumbs up if you're excited to try this recipe and subscribe for more nutritious and delicious recipes. Stay glam, stay fit, and stay well. Until next time.